What's the meaning of bass guitar? Bass guitar. Bass guitar.
Bass guitar. Bass guitar. A bass guitar is a stringed musical instrument that is designed to produce low-pitched sounds. It typically has 4 strings and is played with the fingers or a pick. The bass guitar is an essential component of most modern bands, providing a rhythmic and harmonic foundation for other instruments such as guitars, drums, and keyboards. It was first introduced in the 1930s as a replacement for the traditional double bass, which was difficult to transport and often drowned out by other louder instruments. Today, the bass guitar is used in a wide range of musical genres, from rock and pop to jazz and funk, among others.